ITD and the City of Boise are working together to develop plans for aesthetics and landscaping for the new Broadway interchange. This image shows 4 triangular areas where topsoil, planting, and mulch will be laid within the spooey design. A 2-foot concrete bond will be placed around each of these landscaped areas to provide a buffer from the roadway. Textured concrete will be incorporated. The image in the bottom right shows a river stone pattern that may be used for the flat concrete areas. The new Broadway interchange will include aesthetic treatment finishes to make this a visually attractive structure. Surface treatments will be incorporated into the parapet wall, columns, and MSE walls. Here you can see the first option, which is a random fluted pattern with a band. A second surface treatment option is a fractured fin pattern that would be intermixed with panels of engraved leaves. As shown in this display, the engraved leaves would be placed in groups of 3 on the MSE walls of the interchange. The third option is a variation of the previous design. For this option, large bronze metal sculpted leaves would be adhered onto the concrete rather than engraved into the stone. The fourth option also includes the fractured fin surface treatment and sculptured leaf add-ons. The variation of this option is that the sculptured leaf would be framed with a lighter shade of stone on each side of the interchange. Depending on available funding, more than 1 sculptured leaf could be added to each wall of the Broadway interchange. If selected, the sculptured leaf add-ons would be funded by the City of Boise. The southeast wall of the interchange will be 107 feet long and 24 feet tall at the highest point. The northeast wall will be 151 feet long and 25.5 feet tall at the highest point. The southwest wall will be 160 feet long and 24 feet tall at the highest point. The northwest wall will be 151 feet long and 25.5 feet tall at the highest point. These areas will accommodate aesthetic treatment improvements. Thank you for attending ITD's online public meeting. If you have additional questions, please click on one of these live chat sessions to participate.